Let's go on a walk. If my hand gets like all shaky and all that, my hand is very cold. It's quite chilly out today. Come on. It's a ball of ice. Nice. The wind is still very violent today. Very windy. After a wonderful day of snow. Can't complain though. The wind is coming from over that way. Ooh. I don't have any earmuffs or anything like that. So this probably is going to be a very short video of me taking a walk. Not even my hand is secure. Come on. Look at that. That's cool. That's so cool. I love snow, but the aftermath is rough. Come on. It's very sunny outside. I presume some of the snow will be at least melted. Oh, I gotta get inside fast. This is gonna be a very short video. Oh, there's a bustle of snow. Great, lovely. Lovely. At least I'm getting some of the exercise that I need. Come on. Wait. Come on. The only thing is, this is okay here. This looks dry. It's just that once I get about a little bit down here, there's ice. I don't want that. I don't want to slip. About here, along here. It's got to be at least like 20 degrees out here. It's cold, man. I love it, but I also really don't like it. Come on. Over here. This is going to be a very quick video. It's so cold, my phone is actually starting to affect my battery. hand is all red. My face is all red. Well, at least you're having a good time. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta be careful. This is ice here. Ooh. It's fun, but it's not fun. Come on. Over here. Come here. Hey. If you want to go that way, we can. It's a little longer. Over here. Come here. Love it. Love snow. Oh, come here. Over here. Come here. We're running inside. It's too cold out here. You look like you're perfectly fine. You're built for this weather, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Maybe I can go a little bit over here. Just a little. But not too far. My hand is freezing. Come on. Yes. Come on. We're going back. Come on. Come on. Up here. Inside. Let's go. Come on. Oh, my head feels like it's going to be frostbitten any second here. Come on. Oh. Come on.